What's going on, fellow YouTubers? All Things Tech here. Today, I'm going to make lemon pepper chicken. I'm using drumsticks. You can use chicken breast, chicken wings, whichever you like. For the purpose of the video, I'm using drumsticks, using lemon pepper seasoning. Quite simple. Olive oil, non-stick, 0 calorie, and a air fryer. I put aluminum foil base so that the chicken, the weight of it won't push down into the little grooves and leave indentions on it. Also the juice it catches as it cooks. So I'm gonna set it about 360, about 15 minutes or so. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and spray the aluminum foil like that. And then I am going to base the aluminum foil with some of the seasoning so that I can put the chicken on top of it. And yes, I'm using chopsticks. So, boom, like that. So from there, I'm going to spray more olive oil on the chicken. And then now I'm gonna, depending how much you like on it, I don't want to overly season the chicken because I don't want all the sodium and whatnot. So I'm just gonna base it like that, nice and gently, like nice and spread out. Obviously you can put like peppers and chili peppers or whatever on top of it. And I want to go ahead and base it a little bit so the seasoning is moist. Boom, like that. Bam. Now I'm gonna put it in the air fryer and let it do its thing, and I will follow up shortly. So we are about 12-15 minutes in. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it open, take a look at it, see where it is. It's looking good. So what I want to do is I actually want to spray it down a little bit more. Spray that down, and then I'm going to turn it. I can turn it. See how the other side is nice and juicy. I'm going to turn it, and from there, spray a little bit more. Add some of this seasoning on the other side. And just in case you're wondering why I didn't pre-marinate it, I just don't want the chicken to absorb all of the sodium, so I just do it on the go. And even this process is gonna still keep it quite tasty. So now I'm gonna put it back in for another 10 minutes or so and follow it back up. All right, let's check this. Let's see what it is internal temperature wise. We're looking for 165 to 175. These are thicker drumsticks, so it might take a little longer. So 169, let's stab this guy in here. 173, 171, let's get a little thicker. All right, 172. So it's actually cooked based on the temperature. It's red, but definitely cooked. But anyways, what I would do is I would let it sit in the air fryer and circulate the heat a little longer, maybe 4 or 5 minutes while it rests, and it should maintain its juice still. There you have it, lemon pepper chicken with a side of jasmine rice and a fried egg over it. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, and I will work on more simple eats in the near future and share it with everybody. Thanks for watching. All Things Tech signing out.